So I do have here a gas cap for a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and 3 clicks and this thing is closed, right? So you screw it in and you wait for 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3, and then it's sealed. Now, if you have an EVAP code where it says a small leak, then it can be here this rubber ring that is dirty, right, or broken or what, but I never seen one broken, to be honest. Here, I don't know if it comes out of here. I want to show you what else can go wrong here and how much stuff is in here. Here, let's see that. So this is one of the seals. Can we get that off easy? So if this rubber is not soft enough, or it has a cut in it, maybe a crack or something like that, then you could suck air through it. That's the problem. Could be the problem. Now we want to go inside here and see what's happening in there. So I'm gonna pull those back without breaking this thing here. That could be very tricky. Get those tabs off. Tab. Is there one more? Oh, come on. Man. Let's try this one here. Did I, by accident, plug the other ones back in? Man. I think we are coming to the point where it opens. There it is. Ha ha. Now you have to be careful. In there is like a lot of stuff in here. Let's take this to the side first. In here, there is a spring in there, and grease. So this spring here, that makes this stuff work here, right? Like this. See that? Don't let that go away. There's no sealing happening there. The seal ring was here, and then we go in there. There's more seals down here. I'll open this up and have this all come out. Alright, so we do have a seal here. Let's go closer. Oh, and there we see already the problem. You see down here, on that seat, there is like a little bump in here. Like a little tiny damage to the seal here. So you see, we have this rubber gasket here, and that basically pushes against this. And now there's air getting along here, this little tiny thing, and that will cause already an error in the system. But you see there's a valve in here, right? So that rubber there, and then also this little tiny valve piece that goes in here like this, and you can see this also will open and close. See that? So there is an area of sealing happening here all the way around it. So if that surface is in any way contaminated, dirty, like on this little here, on this area here, if there is dirt on there, or if this is damaged, the sealing area, if it's damaged, dirty, or if it sticks to it, so if there's any stuff on here that makes this one stick in the open position, that it doesn't go down, then you're gonna have a problem. So yeah, so this here is beyond repair, I think, because that's plastic and you can't fix that here. There's really a bump in here. That's unfortunate. But that's how it looks like inside a valve. Let me put this here like this, and then I'm going to put this back together just for the fun of it. Let's see how this goes. It goes like this, and there like this. The spring goes here and here like this. There. Then this piece goes in here like this. That's the tower of problems. Oh, got it. So this comes on top, that spring, and then it all goes. I don't know if I can do this on video. I don't know if I can. Oh, the whole tower fell over. I don't know if I can do this on video. So, okay, so this goes this way, and there. Then there's a little rubber lid that goes there. Then this valve has to be closed this way, and then the spring goes on top like this. But the problem is you have to hold all this and then get this on there like this. So the question is, how do you get underneath here? There, it worked. It worked. Oh. Here, this just has to be plugged in all the way. There it goes. Now it's all plugged in. You can see this from here. And this valve is loose here, you can tell. Maybe I can zoom in more. See this? This valve is doing stuff. So if there is dirt in there, in here, stuck in there, or sticky, and this valve doesn't work anymore, then you have problems. Now, this one goes in here, it goes back together here. I think the easiest is to just get it in there, that all those clamps go back in there. That's good. And then this seal goes back on here. Let's see. Isn't it good or not? Yeah, it is. Look at that. That's as good as new. But it will throw a coat because we saw the damage to the valve seat inside inside of this gas cap. And so you can buy a brand new gas cap and have that kind of problem. That's what I had here. So this thing is going back. And it's just sad that when you do this, then you realize like 3 days later when it happens. Because the test cycle, the vehicle is running on the vacuum in the car, on the EVAP system. That happens every 3 drives. Drive means the vehicle is cold. You start driving, the vehicle warms up to operating temperature, then you stop the vehicle and it cools down to be cold again. That's one drive, and you do this 3 times. So most likely it takes 3 days for you to do that, and then after 3 days you get the error code. Or it goes away when you fix it. Not with this piece though.